Hi everybody, good afternoon. This is a review about the first topic that I give you before, and I start with the articles. What are articles? Articles are words used to modify nouns, persons, animals, etc. And in this case we have two types or two kinds of articles, indefinite and definite articles. And definite articles we have the, and indefinite article we have a and. For example, we can say I have a cat. This is, in this case we have indefinite article. But if I write the cat is black, we have the article definite. Articles introduce what type of thing we are talking about. For example, that is an excellent book. We are specific. Then when talking about something which is already known to the listener or which has been previously mentioned. For example, we can say, do you know where I left the car keys? This is an example about the listener is knows. The listener knows which specific car keys you are talking about. And remember, you cannot use indefinite articles with plural nouns. We have an example. You can say I have a cat. You can use plural nouns. It's an error. You need to say I have a cat, a single cat, no more. Okay, now the next topic is the use of used to. When we use used to is used for actions that happen in the past. For example, we have the sentence I used to play soccer. I used to play soccer. This is our sentence or our actions that happened in the past. We use these expressions to talk about habits or repeated actions in the past which we do not do in the present. For example, we can say he used to smoke. He used to smoke. This is our sentence in the past. But in the sentence we said he used to smoke, but now he doesn't smoke. With used to, there is no verb be. Why? You can say I am used to play video games. You cannot use the verb be. This is incorrect. Okay? And with negatives and questions, it's used not used. Okay? For example, you can ask, did you used to be a teacher? This is our question. Did you used to be a teacher? Do you remember? You can use indefinite. Okay, and when you use negative form, we can say I didn't use to want to have a nice house. Okay, I didn't used to want to have a nice house. Remember the use of used to. The used to is use it for actions that happen in the past. Okay, and we have another one that is would. Would is similar to used to, but in this case would is modal. It's often used in conditional sentence with a closed. We don't use would plus infinity. For example, we can say I would have long hair. This is in incorrect sentences. Another topic that I gave you before is called time clauses. Do you remember what are time clauses? Time clauses are used to demonstrate a period of time based on an action or event. For example, we have I will cook dinner. I will cook dinner. This is our main sentence. Okay, why? Because we have subject, verb, and complement. But in this case, we need a time clause. In this case, we use when. This is our time clause. And when I get home. This is the time clause, the second clause, or the second sentence. In this case, when I get home is a clause demonstrating a point in time. Time clauses, in other words, are complete ideas that require subjects, verbs, objects, but they don't follow the same verb rule as the main clause. And also, the time clause are preceded by adverb and adverb phrases that represent a time. What are adverb or adverb phrases? You can use when, while, before, after, and so on. For example, we can say, I got my visa. This is our main sentence. I got my visa. Before, the time clause, before I came to the United States. The United States. If you put time clause at the beginning, you put a comma after a time clause. For example, after I got out. I got out of bed, comma. Remember, you need to use comma if your time clause is beginning. Is the beginning. I got dressed. Okay, you can see the difference when the time clause is the beginning or in the middle. Okay, when you put the time clause at the beginning, you need to use a comma. Okay, another topic that I give you a short review is past progressive. Past progressive tense. Past progressive says that describe actions that were in progress at the time in the past. For example, on December 31st, we were standing in the Times Square. Describe actions. As I said before, describe actions that were in progress at the time in the past. If we have the example, on December 31, we were standing in the Times Square. Two actions that happened in the past. And two actions can be in progress simultaneously in the past. Example. Students were taking notes. In this case, we use time clause while the teacher was talking. Here we have the two actions that were in progress at the same time. The students were taking notes while the teacher was talking. Okay, these four topics are very interesting for you, and I hope that you learn a lot about it and enjoy it, the topics, and see you another day. Bye, take care.